Starter's got the finger on the button. Away they go for the 8th race of the afternoon, which is the Indian Champion Cup Grade 1. Evenly dispatched on the gates by all the 6 runners, but as they sort themselves out and take the right-handed turn towards the far end of the track, Kambaku is the leader, Baba 2 lengths in front of Shivalik Shahs. Another 3.5 lengths away, Shivalik Shahs. There we go back to Kangra, who settled in third. A length and a half away, there's Hartnell. On the outside of Hartnell, there's Sana. Agaba 2.5 lengths away, giving them a long start. There's Who Makes the Rules. Back to the leader as they approach the 1400 meter and pass it now. It's Kambaku in a breakaway lead of about 5 lengths in front of Shivalik Shahs. The man of David Allen is in second place. Agaba 6 to 7 lengths away is the winner of the Indian Turf Invitation Cup last year in Calcutta, Kangra. Another 2.5 lengths away, there is Sana. On the inside of Sana, there's Hartnell. Agaba 2.5, 3 lengths away. Bringing up the rear is the mount of Suraj Naredu, Who Makes the Rules. They pass the halfway mark and it's Kambaku in a start to finish essay by about 4.5, 5 lengths in front of Shivalik Shahs. Identical distance away, there we go back to Kangra. Another 2.5 lengths away is Sana with Hartnell tucked on the inside. Another 2.5 lengths away, bringing up the rear is Who Makes the Rules, who's now getting nearer. Back to the leader as they approach and pass the 600 meter marker, and it's Kambaku by about 3.5, 4 lengths in front of Shivalik Shahs. A length and a quarter away. On the outside there is Kangra making a nice forward move. Agaba 4.5 lengths away. Off the bridle is Hartnell. Then comes Who Makes the Rules with Sana on the outside as the heads turn firm. Round the turn into the straight. Kambaku comes in on first by a length in front of Shivalik Shahs is the one on the outside. And on the outside there comes Kangra. Another 3.5, 4 lengths away is Who Makes the Rules. It's Kangra who comes and takes it up from Shivalik Shahs. Who Makes the Rules is warming up very strongly on the outside. And it's going to be Kangra from Who Makes the Rules. Who Makes the Rules? Kangra locked together in a very tight finish. It's a nail biter. Then we go back to Shivalik Shahs, Kambaku, Sana, and last of all was Hartnell.